Do your legs feel unusually heavy lately? Is walking across the room or standing for just a few minutes becoming more of a challenge than it used to be? Maybe your knees ache more often, or the stairs seem steeper than before. You might wonder, is this just aging? But what if it's not just the passing years? You're not alone. Many people over 60 notice a slow, creeping loss of leg strength. It doesn't happen overnight. It starts with a stumble, a bit of wobbling, maybe soreness after standing too long. But little by little, it becomes something you can't ignore. And here's the part most people miss. It might not be aging at all. It could be what you're putting in your body, your food, your supplements, even the vitamins you think are helping. Yes, really. 2 vitamins commonly taken for bone and muscle health may actually be making things worse. They're often taken with the best intentions, but when overused or misused, they can drain leg strength, trigger trembling, and make every step feel harder. And it doesn't stop there. Certain everyday foods, innocent-looking snacks, and inflammation-triggering habits may be quietly wearing down your muscles and joints day after day, bite after bite. Welcome to Prime Health. We're here to help you stay strong, independent, and active well into your golden years. If that sounds important to you, consider subscribing. We're in this together. If your legs have been sore after short walks or feel stiff after sitting, keep watching. The answers might be closer than you think. Because here's the truth. After 60, the body becomes more sensitive to what we feed it. Foods and supplements can either support your strength or chip away at it. Let's start with something we all love: dessert. Cookies, cakes, pastries, the treats that bring comfort. But as we age, refined sugar becomes a hidden enemy. It drives inflammation, the root of joint pain, muscle fatigue, and weakness. Too much sugar also interferes with insulin, leaving your muscles starved for energy. The result? More soreness, more fatigue, less endurance. And then there's the weight gain. Extra pounds equal extra pressure on knees, hips, and ankles. Each step becomes harder, each day more painful. And what do those desserts give you? Not protein, not magnesium, not fuel, just empty calories that weaken your legs from within. But you don't have to give up sweetness. Try fruit with cinnamon. Oat-based treats, natural sweeteners. You can still enjoy your favorites, just smarter. Next up, fried foods. Crispy, savory, comforting. But behind that crunch, saturated fats, trans fats, and a recipe for inflammation. They stiffen joints, slow circulation, starve muscles of oxygen and nutrients. Ever felt bloated and heavy after fried food? That's not your imagination. That's your body struggling. Fried foods clog arteries and deplete leg power. And guess what? They bring almost no nutrition, no protein, no helpful vitamins. Try baking instead. Air fry. Grill your veggies. Simple swaps can bring relief one meal at a time. And then there's a breakfast staple: white bread. Software familiar, but made from refined flour that digests into sugar fast. Spikes your blood sugar, then crashes it, which means your muscles run out of fuel quickly. Over time, this zaps your energy, balance, and muscle tone. Instead, reach for whole grains, oats, sprouted breads, brown rice, pair with avocado or eggs, and you've got a nourishing start. Now let's talk about something else that's common and deceiving: alcohol. A glass of wine, a beer at dinner, a celebratory toast. Sounds harmless, right? But after 60, alcohol processes slower, lingers longer, and does more damage. It blocks the absorption of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, the exact nutrients your muscles and bones depend on. It also causes dehydration, tightens muscles, and raises the risk of injury. Ever feel extra stiff or sore after a night out? That's your body telling you something. You don't need to quit completely. Just cut back, stay hydrated, and explore alcohol-free options that still feel fun. So far, we've looked at sugar, fried foods, white bread, and alcohol. Individually, they may seem small, but together, they can take a real toll on your leg strength. And we're not finished yet. There are still a few surprising culprits ahead, including 2 common vitamins you'll definitely want to hear about. Stick with me. This could be the turning point for your mobility. Let's talk about something many folks rely on for convenience: processed meats, sausage, bacon, deli slices, hot dogs. Tasty? Yes. Easy? Absolutely. But what's the cost? These meats are packed with preservatives, sodium, and saturated fats, all of which crank up inflammation and tighten your joints. Notice stiffness in the knees when you wake up, or soreness after breakfast. It might not be your age, it could be your morning sausage. High sodium restricts blood flow to your legs. Muscles can't get the oxygen or nutrients they need. Over time, you lose strength. You lose resilience. You lose mobility. But here's the good news. A better swap is easy. Choose lean proteins like grilled chicken, turkey, fish, or even eggs. You still get flavor, but without the damage. Now, here's a pantry item that might surprise you. Instant noodles. Quick, cheap, convenient. But also nutritionally empty. They're made with refined flour, jacked up with MSG, and loaded with sodium. One bowl can blow past half your daily sodium limit. That leads to fluid retention, swollen ankles, heavy legs, and bloating that makes movement harder. And MSG? It messes with your nervous system, causing fatigue, cramping, and even numbness. These aren't just side effects. They're your body waving a red flag. The truth? These noodles have no real fuel for your muscles, just chemicals your body struggles to handle. So next time you need a quick meal, choose something whole and real. Your legs and your energy will thank you. Now, let's move to something sweet again. Store-bought cakes. They're decorated beautifully, sliced neatly, and loaded with problems. Refined sugar, hydrogenated oils, preservatives. A cocktail of inflammation and sluggish circulation. Ever wonder how those cakes stay fresh for weeks? Trans fats. And inside your body, they harden arteries, restrict blood flow, and cause stiffness in your legs. Even the color and texture enhancers, those artificial dyes and emulsifiers, can wreak havoc, triggering inflammation and weakening your joints. But this doesn't mean saying goodbye to celebration. Try homemade treats using whole ingredients, whole wheat, olive oil, fruit-based sweeteners. You still get joy, but with benefits instead of breakdown. Speaking of sneaky ingredients, let's address processed cheese. You know the kind: wrapped slices, squeeze jars, cheese-flavored spreads. They may look innocent, but they often contain phosphates, which block your body from absorbing key minerals like calcium and magnesium. No calcium? Muscles can't contract well. No magnesium? They can't relax properly. Result? Spasms, cramps, fatigue. And thanks to the salt, poor circulation joins the mix, leading to swelling and discomfort. Better choice? Go for real cheese, like ricotta, cottage, or hard-aged cheese, in moderation. You'll get real protein and fewer additives, making your legs feel lighter, not heavier. Here's another treat we all know. Ice cream. That cool, creamy bite on a warm day can feel like heaven. But store-bought versions are often full of sugar, saturated fat, and artificial flavors. That sugar spikes your energy, then crashes it, leaving your muscles underpowered. Those fats clog up circulation, and additives cause, you guessed it, inflammation. If you've ever felt cramps or tingling in your legs after a dessert binge, this could be why. Instead, try frozen banana blends, yogurt-based desserts, or small portions of natural ice cream. Now, milk chocolate. It's sold everywhere, and it feels like a quick mood boost. But most bars are packed with sugar and fats, and have barely any actual cocoa, the part with health benefits. This combo sends your insulin on a roller coaster and drains your muscle energy, which leaves your legs dragging. Instead, choose dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa. In moderation, it can actually help circulation and reduce inflammation. Let's glance back into your pantry. Canned foods, canned veggies, soups, meats, they're convenient. But they often come loaded with preservatives, nitrates, and sodium benzoate. These can lead to swelling, nutrient depletion, and muscle sluggishness. And some cans are lined with aluminum, which may slowly build up in your system and affect muscle function. If you eat these foods often and notice leg fatigue, bloating, or cramps, it may not be a coincidence. Try fresh or frozen without added salt instead. Simple changes, powerful results. Last in this section, those stuffed cookies and packaged snacks. They're easy to grab. But they're often packed with trans fats, dyes, and flavor enhancers that compromise your body's ability to get oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. The result? Legs that ache, joints that grind, mobility that slips slowly. Try better snacks: almonds, walnuts, fruit, whole grain toast with nut butter. They satisfy your cravings and support your strength. Before we move to our final warning, those two vitamins, it's important to bring up MSG one more time. It's hidden in soups, sauces, noodles, and more. MSG can disrupt how your brain communicates with your muscles. It affects contraction, relaxation, and energy. If your legs twitch, stiffen, or feel unsteady, MSG could be part of the problem. Now, the part you've been waiting for. Two common vitamins, usually taken to help, can actually harm your legs if overused, especially after 60. Let's start with vitamin A. This one helps with vision, immunity, and skin health. But when taken in excess, especially from supplements, it can become toxic, a condition known as hypervitaminosis A. One of the first signs? Aching in the lower back and legs. You might feel stiff in the morning. Struggle after just a short walk. Not because you're weak, but because your muscles are inflamed. Why? Excess vitamin A can block your body from absorbing magnesium and calcium, both essential for muscle movement. Without magnesium, muscles can't relax. Without calcium, they can't contract properly. That leads to cramps, fatigue, and that unsteady, shaky feeling you may have noticed. Vitamin A toxicity can even interfere with energy production, making your legs feel exhausted with just a bit of activity. And remember, this is just the first of the two. Now let's move to the second vitamin, one that's often taken daily without a second thought. Vitamin E. Known for its antioxidant properties, vitamin E helps protect your cells from damage. It's often promoted for heart health, skin, and immunity. But here's the twist. In high doses, especially when taken through supplements, it can work against you. Excess vitamin E acts as a blood thinner. This means your body may have trouble controlling inflammation, leading to soreness, muscle weakness, and in some cases, bruising or pain in the legs. Even worse, when your blood gets too thin, oxygen delivery slows down, and when your muscles aren't properly oxygenated, they tire out fast. Walking gets harder. Standing becomes draining, and recovery takes longer than it should. Your legs may feel shaky, or you might notice they give out more easily during the day. So what's the solution? Balance. Vitamin E is best absorbed through real food: nuts, seeds, leafy greens. Unless advised by your doctor, it's wise to avoid high-dose supplements, especially as you age. Together, vitamin A and E, when taken without guidance or in excess, can quietly sap your strength, even as you think you're doing something good. It's not about fear, it's about awareness. When you know better, you do better. Let's quickly recap what we've uncovered. Hidden sugars and refined carbs, fried foods, processed meats, and salty snacks. Alcohol, canned goods, and artificial ingredients. And yes, even certain vitamins you thought were helping. Each of these can contribute to that growing sense of weakness, heaviness, or instability in your legs. But you're not powerless. You're informed now. And that's the first step toward lasting strength, greater mobility, and a more confident, independent life. Here at Holistic Health, we believe aging doesn't mean giving up your freedom. It means fueling your body smarter, moving with purpose, and staying connected to the tools that support your well-being. If this video helped open your eyes or reminded you of something important, go ahead and subscribe. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And remember, it's never too late to reclaim your strength. Stay sharp, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.